Well, hello folks. This is Mike back from Mike's Magic Resto Detailing Paint Enhancement here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. Those of you that were with me earlier or saw that video or the photos, my car had been forced to sit outside for 2.5, 3 weeks while I worked on other people's cars. So therefore it was all dusty, dirty, some road film, bird droppings, that kind of stuff was on it. So I decided while I had time I'd clean her up. So all I did was I took my foam cannon, used Incredible Suds from DIY Detail, which is a pH rating I think of 9. I foamed her down really good. Some of y'all might have seen that in the earlier video, including the wheels and tires, everything. Let it dwell for about 8 minutes. Then I went back with my pressure washer, pressured, rinsed it all that off. And then for my contact wash, all I used was a rinseless wash, which speeds matters up a lot because it takes a couple steps out. Let me show you what I used here from McHugh's. Doggone good stuff. Sometimes I use this when I want to leave protection behind after the wash, but most of the time I use their other one, which leaves nothing behind. But as you can see, and then I used a high quality drying towel. It's about 12, 13, 1400 GSM, and on the wheels and tires. Nothing fancy here, and I think it came out okay. The glass, the mirrors, all that stuff. So it went pretty quickly. And folks, it is actually safer to do it this way than your traditional 2-bucket wash and all that mess goes. A lot of times all I do is just a rinseless wash or a waterless wash. I don't even go through all the foaming and all that kind of stuff. And I don't think that was absolutely necessary today, but I decided to do it anyway because I wanted to play with the foam cannon and that new soap I got. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Waving at my neighbors. That protection it left behind is so slick, it's crazy. Of course, the ceramic coating, the graphene coatings on the tires, I ceramic coated the wheels. The glass has been ceramic coated. All the plastic and vinyl has been coated. So that helped out a lot. It makes washing and maintaining your vehicle so much easier, folks, because all that stuff just comes right off. But I think it turned out all right. Didn't spend a whole lot of time on it. Trying to keep it simple today. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget, like, tag, share, follow, comment if you must, or if you want. Ask a question. I'll be glad to answer any and all questions. You could send me a PM if you want, if you don't want to ask in front of everybody. I get that. If you want one of my refrigerator magnets, just drop me your name and address and a PM, and I'll be happy to send you 1 or 2 or 3, however many you want. No catch, it's just a free magnet, that's all. Put them on your toolbox, on your gas can, on your lawnmower. Put them on your refrigerator, idle. Put them wherever you want. Anywhere there's metal, you can put it. Thank y'all, appreciate you. Y'all have a great day. Bye now. Boom.